Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your headphones not being detected on Google Pixel 10 Pro. Let's begin! So, as you can see, I have my headphones right here and my Pixel 10 Pro right here. So let's try to troubleshoot the headphones not being detected. First of all, we can simply disable the Bluetooth, give it a couple of seconds to reset, to refresh, and then enable it once again. Now you'll notice that I did automatically connect to my headphones, but actually I need my headphones to be on in order for this to happen. You'll notice that if I will press the power button and I will turn my headphones off, as you can see I immediately disconnected, and if I will also restart the Bluetooth, you will see that nothing is happening. And this is because even though we are paired, we are saved, we cannot really connect to a device that is not turned on. So you want to locate the turn on button. Usually it's also the pause button, especially on some headphones. You want to just press and hold it, and usually some sort of sound or LED will be lit or sound will be played, and as you can see, are now connected. However, what if you are not connected? Well, then this means you want to click the cogwheel icon and simply forget your device, because whenever you forget your device, your phone will basically pretend like you have never ever connected to it in the first place. Now, we can go to pair a new device, and you'll notice that we don't really have our headphones here. This is because we need to put them into pairing mode. First, let's see. Well, this specifically headphones actually put them in the pairing mode automatically, but let's remove them, disable them. So as you can see, it's now gone, and you can click it once again and keep pressing until the LEDs flash. Or once again, in the terms of other Bluetooth devices, you may hear pairing or different LED flashing, matter. Now we want to locate and click our headphones and hit pair, and as you can see, we are connected. But if the Bluetooth on your own is not working, you can always simply watch my Bluetooth not working tutorial. And also, if you believe that the headphones are at fault, not your phone, you can always ask your friend's phone or your family member's phone and that device to connect to your headphones. If they connect successfully, then it's probably your phone's fault. If it doesn't, then it probably is wrong with your headphones, and you want to make sure that, for example, you have warranty. If you have, you can always return it to the shop you bought it from. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, watching.